Okay, good morning children. Now today we discuss 6th class social third lesson landforms. Once all of you open your textbook, page number 15. What is third lesson? Landforms. What is third lesson? Landforms. Now the land on once open your textbook, page number 15. The land on which we live is not uniform in size, shape or height. Our land is not in uniform. In the shape is different, size is different, height is also different. In different regions contains a different height, a different size, a different shape. In some places, it rises high to form hills and mountains with steep slopes. In some region have high contains belongs to some high mountains, means Himalayas, Aravali, okay, like this and matter. Now, while in other areas it may be low and flat for long stretches. In some areas, no height. It's a flat, flat surface is present on the land in some regions. And as you travel from one place to another, you might witness changes in the height of places. This is known as the relief of a region. Now you have to travel in train or from one place to another place. You have to observe. In some places having flat surface area is there. In some places having mountains, hilly regions. You have to observe. Then it is called as a relief of a region. It is called as a relief of a region. It is called as a relief of a region. It is called as a relief of a region. Now, there are three main kinds of landforms. How many landforms are present in our earth? Three landforms. One is the mountains. Three landforms are there. One is mountains. And the second one is plateaus and plains. Third one is the plains. Here three types of landforms are there. One is mountains, second one is plateaus, and third one is the plains. Now present we have to discuss about mountains. Now you must have seen several hills or even been to places on some mountain ranges. Mountains are very high and they have to steep slopes with very little flat land on them. Once you have to observe the mountains means it is a very height and a slant position. Its slope is a very high. Okay, now slope is we have very high and they have steep slopes and very little flat on the mountains. Okay, now it is mountains are very high and the steep flat and very little flat land on them. In the mountains. On the mountains, very little flat land on them, and high. The mountains range is very high. And they have steep slopes. Okay, now means the mountains are having a very huge slope anamata. Now look for the Himalayas. What are the Indian mountains? Mount Himalayas. Here, what is the highest mountain peak in the world? Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. Means what is the Himalayas? Aravali, Vindhya, Satpura mountains in a map of India. Here, what are the main mountains in India means one is Himalaya mountains, Aravali, Vindhya and Satpura mountains. We can see in the map of India. We can see the map. We can see the in Indian map. We can see the in Indian map. These are the important mountain ranges of our country. What are the important mountains in our country? Here Himalayas, Aravali mountain range, Vindhya and Satpura ranges. Okay, now these are the main mountain ranges in India. Now in our state, what is our state? Telangana state. In our state is also having some mountains. What is in Adilabad, Nirmal, Jagityal, Vikarabad, Mahbubnagar, Nagar Karnool, Peddapalli, Bhadradri and Jaishankar districts have stretches of hilly terrain which can see as pockets of scattered hills. Okay, na? In this districts also having a mountains in Telangana state. These are Satmala range in Adilabad, Nirmal, Balag here. Adilabad and Nirmal districts contains Satmala range. Okay, now mountains are there. In Balagat range in Mahbubnagar, Nagar Karnool. Okay, in Mahbubnagar. Now, see here in our Telangana state, in PS, Satamala range. In which district? In Adilabad and Nirmal. Adilabad, Nirmal districts. And Balagat range in Mahbubnagar, Nagar Karnool. Balagat range in Mahbubnagar, Nagar Karnool. Mahbubnagar, Nagar Karnool. In Balagat range, Balagat mountains in located in Mahbubnagar and Nagar Karnool, and Anantagiri hills in Vikarabad, and Kandikal in Peddapalli and Jaishankar, and Rocky hills in Jagityal districts. Okay, na? This type of ranges, mountains also there in our state, Telangana state. Now, plateaus are also highlands. Plateaus are also highlands only, but they are flat. In the plateaus, the land in the plateaus are flat surface. Okay, na? But they have more flat lands with some hills in between them. Okay, na? In that region, the plateaus are very flat. The landscape is uneven with ups and downs, but not as steep in the mountains. The Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in India. What is the largest plateau in India? Deccan Plateau. Yeah, these plateaus are also located in a very high level from the sea level, but it is also very high. But these plateaus on the land surface in the plateaus are very flat. What is the biggest plateau in India is Deccan Plateau. What is the biggest plateau in India? Deccan Plateau. Here in our Telangana is in Deccan Plateau is located in northern states. Means it is in Telangana is also having a Deccan Plateau. It is also called as a Telangana Plateau. It is also called as a Telangana Plateau. Large portion of Telangana falls in the plateau region, which is called as a Telangana Plateau. Now the plain on other hand are level lands with gentle slopes. Okay Nana, once already today we discussed about mountains and plateaus. Read this lesson carefully. Okay Nana, bye children.